Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to stop MSN from opening on Edge. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If your Edge homepage keeps showing news articles and MSN content every time you open the browser, you can quickly turn it off for a cleaner experience. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Once the browser opens, go to a new tab page where the MSN newsfeed usually appears. Now look toward the top right side of the page and find the gear icon. Hover over it or click on it to open page settings. When the settings menu opens, scroll down until you find the Show Content option. Next to it, you'll see a toggle switch. Turn this toggle off. Once disabled, the MSN newsfeed and homepage content will disappear from the page. If you want an even cleaner look, continue scrolling and find the background option. Turn off the background toggle as well. This removes the wallpaper image and gives the page a more simple appearance. After making these changes, your Edge homepage will no longer display MSN content automatically. And that's it. So that's basically how you can stop MSN from opening on Edge. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.